Hi everyone, this is Tim with Team Life, and the next video is going to show you how to use your pediatric pads. Sometimes it's tough to tell the difference between a pediatric and an adult pad because they look the same. So at Team Life, we decided to put a pediatric sticker on the pediatric pad to let you know the difference between the two in the case of an emergency.